everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are so fine. And I am Fiza. So today I've got this tea set that I'm going to paint. I brought them from Tesco. You can bring them from any shop you have. Maybe they're nearby or somewhere. And you can get any. Like, I found animals and tea sets, but I picked the tea set. You can pick anything. You can pick animals to play with or something else like kitchens or like me, a tea set. So first of all, let me show you all the things I have. I have this pack of the tea sets so I can paint the things because they're all white. And the bowl where it has water in it so I put the brush. I have 6 colors of paint. We have red, yellow, blue, green, pink and purple to paint. And 1 brush. Let's color red. The pack only came with 1 brush, so I put some water in the bowl so I can wash it. Let me just put the bowl in a side. And I'm first of all going to color in the teapot. So let me get out the teapots. Let me put the others in a side. And you can start with any color you want, but I'm starting with the color pink because I like pink. You can choose the color that you like, or you can just choose the color that you want to paint it with. So let me get the color pink. You can design your own one. Like you can design your own picture. But first of all, I'm going to draw a flower. So a pink flower. Roses are kind of different colors. Like roses are red, but I'm coloring this flower pink. Make a little dot here. Like that. Different color for the petals, or you can just choose the same color. I'm choosing the same color because it will look more beautiful, I think. So it goes like this. So I made a flower in the center, or in the middle, you can say. So I'm going to keep going drawing designs on it. So first of all, let me show you. It looks like this. You like it? Tell me in the comments if you do. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Now let me wash it off so it doesn't get mixed up with other colors and they don't get like black, gray, because it wouldn't look like nice. Now I'm going to make some little flowers at the side of the teapot, all around the other flower, like I made in the middle. I have made some one-colored like purple little flowers on the side of the teapot and a red circle around this thing. Now I'm going to paint the other side like this side, the opposite way. Let me just put this aside so it dries up, because if we put it there, it will be ruined and not good. So let me put it aside so it can dry up, and we can do the other side later. Teapot's cup, like it has this. Let me dry this up to 5 to 6 minutes, and let me just put it aside. Like after that, I will the final look of the teapot and the lid.